Yeah.
Well, check this out. It looks really good. So if you don't know what is Sarang Burung, it's like roti bird nest because the design is like a bird nest with eggs in the middle. So okay. Okay, here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Wow, this is like a masterpiece. The bread is soft but still hold. You know, there is a nice texture to it. And the beef looks spicy but it's not spicy at all. It's like very mildly spicy, but the flavor is like extraordinary. Like whoever created this recipe is a genius. I can taste the white pepper and also the soya sauce. Now this is a perfectly balanced recipe. This one, success.